5 years ago, 2-megapixel Full HD resolution was the standard for CCTV cameras, but technology does not stand still. Today, cameras with this resolution no longer meet modern requirements. In most cases, they are insufficient for identifying a person or a car number plate. When zooming in, the image quickly becomes blurred. Today, we will look at several popular CCTV cameras with modern 2K and 4K resolution and compare them with the old 2-megapixel versions. Today, we will compare the popular ISON Greco-Pro ready-made video surveillance systems with 2K resolution and the top-of-the-line ISON Alpha Pro X ready-made systems with 8 megapixels and a 5x zoom option. Both of these video surveillance camera systems do an excellent job of meeting modern surveillance requirements, but there are key differences. ISON Greco-Pro is a ready-made wireless AHD video surveillance system for homes and cottages with a 2K resolution that is twice as high as full, which significantly increases image detail, allowing you to identify people by their faces and cars by their license plates. ISON Alpha Pro X is a professional video surveillance system with cameras that have 4K resolution, which allows you to get the clearest video image. You can even see small details of people's faces and clothing, significantly increasing the likelihood of identifying a person. The main question is when this difference really matters. Let's check it out. See for yourself. At 3 meters, the difference is minimal. Both cameras provide a clear image. At 7 meters, 4K pulls ahead. For example, the inscription is legible when magnified. At 10 meters, 2K still holds its own, but small details, such as the patch on the jacket, are already blurred. At night, ISON Greco-Pro performs excellently, with minimal noise and recognizable faces. However, the 4K version, ISON Alpha Pro X, can see people's faces and license plates from a much greater distance. Accordingly, you will need fewer of these cameras at your facility than the more budget-friendly 5-megapixel versions. So, what to choose? ISON Greco-Pro if you need to monitor a private house, cottage, apartment, entrance, or small shop. ISON Alpha Pro X if it is important to monitor large private houses, parking lots, warehouses, large areas, and simply objects where maximum detail and maximum protection are required, as well as the recording of small details. Subscribe so you don't miss our new videos. See you soon.